Boy, man, I tell you, say, yo, I don't even know what kind of song this started, but just not too long a while ago, me get robbed. Like, take a taxi and come and parade this wait on a Portmore bus, and same time I see a virgin, like I see two virgin walk past, and like when I see them walk past again, and like, you know, like them a try looking at my face. And then when I look, I see one of the youth them like walk past me, and you know, me there I look around and I see if where the bus there or whatever. Then when I look, I see one of the youth them just come over to me. Cause I stand up there, I wait a little while, and like the youth say, like him say, morning sir. And I mean for disturb you, but I can ask you a question. So I say, what that? So he must say, if I work the police station at WAY Tree. So I say, no. Turn to me and him say, yo, if me come from Waterhouse, or if me used to live at Waterhouse, I say, no. Him say, you know Damien from Waterhouse? So I say, no. So in the same time, him look for me and him say, yo, I not lie, yo. Just a while ago, you know, I shoot me and my friend the dog, I shoot you, you know, cause we get some info and we hear say, yo, you look like Damien, brother. And we just come up on the ends and see, and like him and say, boy, my friend never did even want to talk to you. My friend did just want to shoot you straight, but he must say, yo, when I make like the other youth, because I bleach out youth there, and the man I say, yo, to be honest, when I see how you dress and thing, me I say, yo, you look like a respectable youth, and me I say, yo, before me even shoot you, me I go just ask. You see me? And same time they didn't know like me start laugh. Cause me I laugh and I say, brother, when I come from none of them place there. East my born and grow. You see me? You see me? And then same time the youth look for me and man I say, yo, so yeah I say, you don't have nothing for you. You have much thousand you have for you. Give me a wallet and your phone. So I start laughing me I say, oh I joke this. A bumbuckler joke this. Same time I'm looking to the man because I'm pull out a 9 out time waist. And man I say, yo, nah man. Nah make no joke man. You see me? Man I say, yo, a simple thing you know is either you give me the phone or it have a cost of your life. You see me? And same time as me hear him say so I start thinking in my mind and I say, bumbuckler, I just left my little boy at the yard. You see me? And like same time I just say, yo brother go easy man. A simple thing for give you the phone. You see me? Just make me get back the SIM and the memory card in the phone and thing and same time him just say, nah man, I'm a reasonable man. And him friend take the phone and take out the SIM and give me the SIM and me I tell you say, you know, me in a town, you know. And other people stand up behind me, other people stand up in front of me, you know, and nobody nah say nothing, you know, everybody just a chill like a Sunday, you know, which are really Sunday. You see me and the man look for me and the man I say, yo, just know say, I never your phone me come for. I come for kill you. But I true the way you look, you never really look like no criminal or nothing like that. So that's why I deal with you upon that level there. You see me? And like, I pray and I say, Friday, me get the phone, you know? Friday, me get the. Boy, I tell you, say, yo, I don't even know what kind of song this there.